Hello, everyone. This is in continuation to our important questions with the solutions for the subject quantitative techniques meant for fifth semester BCA under NEP syllabus. This is part 3. First question, if 8 power x into 2 power y is equal to 512 and 3 power 3x plus 2y equal to 9 power x, then what is the value of x and y? So primarily we can write this 8 power x as 2 cube to the power of x multiplied by 2 power y is equal to 512. Let us factorize and see. So this is 256. This is 128, 64, 32, then 16, then 8, and then this is 2. So now let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 512 can be written as 2 to the power of 9. And then this is second one, 3 power 3x plus 2y. 9 can be written as 3 square to the power of x. So consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now equation 1 can be written as 2 to the power of 3x multiplied by 2 to the power of y is equal to 2 power 9, which can be further simplified as 2 to the power of 3x plus y, because if the left-hand side base is common, we can add the indices. That is equal to 2 power 9, which means we can say 3x plus y equal to 9. Call this as third equation. Now from the second equation, we will write 3 power 3x plus 2y is equal to 3 to the power of 2x. So now again base is common. We can equate the indices. So 3x plus 2y equal to 2x. So now we can bring this 2x this side. So 3x minus 2x plus 2y equal to 0, which becomes x plus 2y equal to 0. Let us call this as equation 4. Now we will multiply third equation by minus 2. So that this will become minus 2. Here there is a plus 2. We can then add. So we will get minus 6x minus 2y equal to minus 18. Call this as equation 5. Now we will add 4 and 5. We will get minus 5x is equal to minus 18, which means our x is 18 by 5. Now we can find out y by substitution. 18 by 5 plus 2y equal to 0, which means 2y is equal to negative 18 by 5, or y is negative 18 by 2 into 5. I am dividing both sides by 2 so that this becomes minus 9 by 5. So our x value is 18 by 5 and y value is negative 9 by 5. Let us move on to the next question. Here it says, 3 years ago, the age of father was 7 times that of his son. 3 years hence, the father's age would be 4 times that of his son. What are the present ages of father and his son? So let us write father, son. We'll create a small table where we will say present age We'll consider father's age as X, son's age as Y. Then it talks about 3 years ago. Then it also talks about 3 years hence. Three years ago, it becomes X minus 3. This becomes Y minus 3. Here it is X plus 3. Here it is Y plus 3. Now it says, question says, 3 years ago, age of father means 3 years ago, age of father was X minus 3. So I will say given X minus 3 is equal to 7 times that of his son, means 7 times Y minus 3. That can be rewritten as X minus 3 is equal to 7Y minus 21, or X minus 7Y is equal to negative 21 plus 3, which can be written as negative 18. So we have the equation now as X minus 7Y equal to negative 18. Call it as equation 1. Then the question says, 3 years hence, the father's age would be, so given 3 years hence, father's age was X plus 3, it will be X plus 3, and would be 4 times that of his son. So 4 times Y plus 3. That means X plus 3 is equal to 4Y plus 12. That means it will become X minus 4Y is equal to 12 minus 3. That can be simplified as X minus 4Y equal to 9. That is our second equation. Now let us subtract first and second equation. X and X gets cancelled. Minus 7Y minus of minus 4Y is equal to minus 18 minus of 9. So that becomes minus 7Y plus 4Y is equal to minus 27. That means minus 3Y equal to minus 27, or Y is 9. Okay, now let us find out X by substituting in first equation. X minus 7 times 9 is equal to negative 18, which means X is equal to 7, 9, 63, negative. If I take it to the other side, it becomes positive. 63 minus 18, that will give us 45. So therefore, father's age, or I will say father's present age, is 45 years, and the son's present age is 9 years. So that is the solution for this particular question. Now let us move on to the next question. Here the question says, a person travels from a place P to Q at the speed of 40 km per hour and return at a speed of 10 km per hour. What is the average speed? Since the unit of measure is in the form of a ratio, the average is found using harmonic mean. So average speed will be the harmonic mean of these two observations, which is how many observations? There are 2 observations divided by 1 by 40 plus 1 by 10. So that will give you 2 divided by, here LCM is 40. So 1 plus 4. So that will give us 2 divided by 5 by 40, which is 2 multiplied by 40 by 5. So 5 8s are, so 8 2s are 16 kilometer per hour. That is the average speed of the person.